Verified. Bitches don't be gang, they be terrified. I spill ashes on my seat, but it's okay, it's my.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nana Sway, aka Coco Bonda, and today y'all, is y'all feeling this? Is y'all feeling this? Is y'all feeling these inches? Like, is y'all feeling these inches? Tea on this hair, sweetie. Sweetie.
Hear what you saying, sweetie.
I said I'm gonna bring her out in due time, sweetie.
If you're wondering about this hair, I got this hair from Eula Hair. This is my third time actually buying a wig, and y'all, I'm always satisfied. So this is their HD closure 4x4 HD closure wig, straight, and I dyed it. It came 1B, but I dyed it jet black or black. This is how it came out. The only thing I was like upset about was that it came like later than normal. Usually come like 2 to 3 days. This time it took like 7 days to come, but it still came. If I had any questions or anything, I asked the people who run it, run the system, and I asked them. I'm like, hey, where's my package?
Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
Where's my package? And they shipped it, and I got my hair done today, guys, and I love it. Shout out to I'm That Tish, okay? That is who did this for me. This is the lace. I bleached the knots, so it's cute. You guys, I really love this hair, and I'm 5'9", so it stopped literally on my butt. But yeah, it stops on my butt, and the hair does not shed at all. Like, pull it, nothing. So I love it, y'all. And if you're wondering about these lashes, that I'm wearing, if you have any interest in the lashes that I'm wearing, these are mine, the Sway collection. These are called Heartbreaker. I do have some left in stock. I gotta restock on my lashes. Not for real, so I gotta restock soon. And yeah, and also thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate all the love and support from you guys. It means a lot to me. But ladies, yes, this hair is beautiful. I got a lot of compliments. It doesn't tangle up, like, and this is a gag. It's one of those. You don't want to go to sleep with your 30 inches. You don't have to.
Oh my God. I can't.
You can take it right off. Put your scarf on or your bonnet on or whatever. And then just put it on. And it comes with, when I got it, it came with 2 combs in the front. And then the strap in the back. Okay, period, poo. I just have my shit like this. Yup, so it could be a side part too, y'all. Like, it's cute. Like, it's like wet lace. Like, it looks so nice. So I really do love this wig. This is not the perfect side part, but I was just giving y'all an example of like how you can like switch the closure side. I hope you like this video. And like I said, it has bands, so you can take it right off. If you want, you can take it right off. You don't gotta sleep in it. Take it right off, put it right back on. That's just what it is. And I dyed it jet black. I like it jet black. I don't really like the natural brown. It's okay, but I prefer jet black. And yeah, guys, so if you like this hair, if you want to make a purchase, please go to Eula Hair. I will leave the direct link to this hair down below, okay? Also, follow me on all my social media. Make sure you check out my music video, okay? Lay it out.
Niggas be just bob, spinning zazz just like a top. I don't trust these hoes, cause you know these hoes, they flop.
Period. I'm gonna leave a link for that too. And yeah, follow your girl on Instagram. And thank y'all for supporting me. And let's get this to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm done playing games. I'm done playing with y'all. Y'all got my full attention. I love y'all. I love my supporters. And thank you. I love you guys. 30 inches. And if y'all wanted to know how much this wig was, it was $284. The original price was $336, but they had this big sale. So sis, go get you some hair, some really good hair. And the density of this wig as well is 250. So yeah, you guys. It's your girl Nana Sway, aka Coco Bana. And y'all already know the fucking vibes. Yeah. Bye.